All right, back at it. So I've done some issue logging. A lot of stuff in here. So let's take a look at a couple of P1s. We got some author page content, sticky menu bar content, team and awards for about section, resort, matching stories, search. Oh yeah, and they do popular visuals by personnel. I think we can get through all those in this session. We'll find out. Let's start with author page content because then that will kind of round this out, I think, besides the menu from a content standpoint. So if we go to, let's go back home. And somewhere we have a link to the author page. Okay, right now we've got the stories. Let's see exactly what we're dealing with. Stories author. Honestly, I think this is actually pretty straightforward. This might just be author.bio. And author. And then assuming we have to bring in an image, I think we already got these in here. So let's just find out. So it's author dot. Is it ID? Broken image. Let's see. Static or common. Right, that's not for. Oh, I just haven't poured anything over. Let's grab those from our website. What am I looking for? Dev common. Oh yeah, I'm sure we're gonna need those. SVG. Got those. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna grab both of those. Oh, I do want to optimize those. I know those haven't been. Common assets authors. Come on. Assets authors. No, I'm in here. Oh, because it's not name. It's, oh no, it's actually, I'm not sure what author looks like. So let's. ID. It is ID. Get out of here. Can I load this image? Oh, because we're dealing with that base path thing again. There we go. Yes, I need a new image. It's very outdated. But that's all the content. So to be honest, let's just clean up the markup a little. Stories. And this will be div class. These will eventually be drafts. Slash URL rel equals external head. Okay. And this is going to be section ID info. Okay, great. Oh, actually, I know there's more stuff. So there's like, what is it? There's Twitter URLs, two things. I'll just add those in. So if author.twitter. Twitter. Probably be an icon here, I'm guessing. Div class links. Not div. And this will be an li. And then if URL link our website. Twitter website. Okay. I think that's everything. Sweet. Let me look at these images here. Shoot, I forgot which ones. Source. Common. Oh, that's way too big. Why is that on our site? Okay. Well, first could resize them all. Just take a look. Interesting. Resize. I think 320 is what we're rolling with here. I'm pretty sure most of them are 320. Okay. So let's just resize. So let's just size 320. R320, we just need to be optimized. All right, I'm assuming most of the rest of them are the right size. This one's bigger. All right, so I'm 480. Oh, shucks. We're all over the place here, aren't we? I should just resize them all. I know. I usually use a script. This is crazy. Sometimes it's nice doing things manually. I'm going to upsize you. So close. I know this doesn't actually make a difference, but we're already more than halfway done. Kevin. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger one. Right? I'll just not even use these. That's probably what's gonna happen. Let's be real. It's way too small. One pudding. This is riveting. Okay, we did it. Now I want to optimize them. My favorite tool for the trade here is Image Optim. Oz JPEG. So it's a quality, DPI, probably high DPI, JPEG. Now, I'm not entirely sure how many we're going to be doing here. I feel like there's usually a limit, so I'm going to do like A through E. Yeah, that's a big chunk. A through E. 21. Let's see if it lets me do 21. Also, maybe I don't want to double. Like, doesn't look like 21 items. A through D. Let's see. Went through Dan. So it only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we can do 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can go to that red tag, orange tag, red tag. Got it. Shoot, I don't remember. Oh, yeah. Tells me where I ended. Oh, nice. That wasn't too bad. Oh, 17. How is that 17? I should have to see which ones it picked. right, who's left? Great, let's see. All right, biggest one was 88 kilobytes. Not too bad. Much more uniform. Okay, so let's call author page done. Back author page. That's that issue. And move on. Great. Oh yes, it does, because this is kind of the area we're working on for. So if we look at the about page, now we streamlined it. We have these two conditionals, special cases. And awards is going to be, so we need to pull in the data. So first, import awards from data awards CSV. And see, this one's, let's see. Let's see, awards. We want that full blown, but then let's say staff. Let's go ahead and all right, we have these helper files like stories. We'll do the same deal here. Staff.js. D position is staff. And that's all we need to do here, I think. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the about page, make sure there's no errors. No errors. Let's go ahead and log out awards and staff. No staff, didn't do that right. So awards worked. And staff didn't work. So let's take a look at staff.js. Oh, others. There we go. Now we got the staff. To be honest, we only need name and ID. But whatever, I mean, it's literally not going to bloat anything. So let's not worry about that crazy micro optimization. So then if awards, we'll say each awards has, all right, what are the properties again? Award text, award URL, story head. And I don't know what this is going to be. It's going to be a list, a table. So it should be a table. It'd be nice to change it up a little bit. So I have award, story year. I like that. TR, oh, award. TD. URL. Let's make this bigger. Okay, now we got a table. Oh, sweet. Check it out. All right. It's really long story title, but we'll mess with that on mobile. Or even maybe we'll just do an abridged story. But I'm liking the table. So now for team, same kind of deal, but definitely won't be a table. Also, this needs to be team body. And we could easily just like make this a component. But for now, I'm going to leave it in here. It's pretty simple. Each staff, is that what I called it? Staff. That is ID name. Much more straightforward. It's actually I need slug too. Love some auto formatting. And there we go. Except, not sure what order it's in. I like a good alphabetically sorted, so let's do that. Staff.sort. Sending 3. Sending name. There we go. Alphabetically sorted. Okay. And that should link. Oh, right. That's the thing. I could do a relative link. Oops, author undefined. Oh, is slug not a thing? Thought it was. Am I crazy? Oh, I should have brought an author. Oh, so staff. Watch this. So staff is actually going to import data from authors. Okay, then it'll have slug. Nice. Okay. Another thing. Yeah. Team and awards. All right, let's do some more resort matching stories search. Oh, yes, this is some homepage stuff. So let's do that. I'm really avoiding this sticky sidebar. So one was the deduping of if there's stuff in here. So let's see what the logic is going to be for that. How about stories? Okay. That's not what I want. I want intro or letter intro. Oh, where did that come from? Staff. What in the world? Staff. Oh, right. I forgot I needed it. Well, I can delete all that stuff I just did. It's already in the context. Data staff. Delete. And if we go to about that, export that stuff. Okay, look at that. I think just make sure that still works. I don't know. Oh, because it's the about page. So in here, there's staff. That was too premature. I suppose I can do that in the about page. So let's see. Let's go. Yeah. All right. I should probably do that the same way. Which means now I'm wondering if I should do the same thing with awards. However, the whole reason I'm doing it from here is to only return the stuff we need versus I do need all of the awards. It's just for that page. I'm going to keep that as is here. Okay. So it's actually just about dot. And then we don't need stories. We just need ID name. We also need slug. Which means a whole load situation. Yep. About props. Export that staff. And we'll pass that. Great. Now let's see if that all propagates through. Great. Another data. Good to know. API about the JSON. Oh, bad job, Russell. Okay, same error. Staff, bodies, staff, authors. Looks good. Let's restart our server, adjust. Slug. Oh, Russell. Of course it's not. Sweet. Okay. And look at that. I got my micro optimization. All right. No idea what we were doing. Let's go back. All right. We wanted to hold that intro. What I saw. Staff it existed. Okay, so we're gonna have popular. So I think if we take that as like the first one, because that one happens on page. Oh, but we want that to rotate. Am I not repopulating that? No, I wanted to repopulate that. That's funny. Let's do something here. So, okay, so I want that to exist from the start. Then I want to rerun it. All right, so let's say, yeah, this makes sense. I want to redo it on load. Well, let's make this Mathlib to HTML. Yes. Till. Export the follow-up function. I think everything is being passed through. Okay, so import mathlib to HTML from util / mathlib to HTML. Okay. Oh, we need stories there. Need stories. Stories is not defined. Shuffle is not defined. Shuffle. Yep, that is totally true. Copy is not. I got copy. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's pass that in too. Why the heck not? Not sure I'm getting a lot of value now with this function, but yeah, okay. Okay, so you define it once, and this is, and then we override it. All right, let's go ahead and make sure it's still. And then now we have to figure out sorry, my Slack is crashing. How to dedupe. So it just returns the HTML. So let's go ahead and log out. I don't like this. I could have just deduped on popular HTML. I mean, I could just see if, yeah, the URLs exist and not use them. I mean, it's all janky. So it's like so basically, how about this? I could say const non unused stories is stories.filter d dot I guess it's a string, so it's easy enough. Popular includes. So if it's, as long as it's not in there, you can keep it. I guess that works. Like one liner. Go back that. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's it. That'll dedupe. And we will just have to make sure that we have enough stories in there. Cool. Dedupe stories. All right, I'm just gonna do one more wrong one. Shoot, resort matching. Well, I guess we're gonna do that one now, which was resort matching. So in our stories, oh, we're not running. What's happening? Okay, so the problem is when they filter, all these things are here. And so like that one's, you have to scroll a while. So I want those ones to bubble up. So we don't want it, we basically, whenever highlight changes. So first we want to basically say when highlight changes, resort. Resort. And how are we going to sort it? So this might even be moot, but we want to say stories dot sort maybe basically up top is when it includes the slug. So we want it. Ooh, I guess we'll find out if we want it descending or ascending. Probably ascending. That doesn't do enough though. And actually we want to do an or here because we want to preserve date. So and then to make it actually render them, the DOM, one trick, right, is the stories equals stories. It's a little svelte thing. Let's see if that worked. Assignment to constant variable. Oh, stories is constant. Correct. So we could also just have a let's sorted stories equal stories.map phone, and then just use sorted. That's not even a good name. No, whatever, it's fine. Okay, so when we type music, it didn't work at all. Let me see if this ran. Sorted stories. Oh, it did. It just has them in the wrong order. So we actually want ascending. Oh, shoot. It did some sorting. Oh, no, it didn't. No sorting whatsoever. It is. Okay, that's clearly not what we want, I don't think. Oh no, all those are music stories. They just at the end. All right, at the end. You're right. Let's, instead of logging all of them, Oh, did work. He's working. Yeah, oh my God, I'm using stories still. Sorted stories. Okay, let's magic again. Yes. So there we go. So now anything with music bumped to the top, it's expanded, and like everything else is collapsed at the bottom. That's the intended behavior. So now if we did like basketball, nothing. There we go. We don't say basketball ever, but that's because our search is really weak right now. It's really interesting. All the basketball stories are almost all red. Wonder why. All right, that concludes it for today. Until next time.